Introduction. Welcome to YOURpath's lesson on order of events. Understanding the order of events is crucial for reading comprehension, storytelling, and everyday tasks. This lesson will provide strategies to help you organize and sequence events effectively. What is the order of events? The order of events refers to the sequence in which events occur in a narrative or process. It involves identifying the beginning, middle, and end of a story or procedure and arranging them logically. Tips for understanding the order of events. 1. Identify key events. Focus on the main events or actions in the narrative. Look for significant moments that drive the story forward. Example, in a story about a journey, key events might include the departure, challenges faced, and the arrival. 2. Look for time markers. Pay attention to words or phrases that indicate the passage of time, such as first, next, then, after, and finally. Example, first, they packed their bags. Next, they set off on their adventure. 3. Create a timeline. Visualize the sequence of events by creating a timeline. This can help you see the order clearly and understand the flow of the narrative. Example, draw a timeline with key events marked along it, from start to finish. 4. Use graphic organizers. Tools like story maps, flowcharts, and sequence charts can help organize events visually. Example, a story map can outline the main events, settings, and characters in a narrative. 5. Summarize each event. Write a brief summary of each key event. This helps to clarify the sequence and understand the overall narrative. Example, summarize each chapter of a book in 1 or 2 sentences. 6. Ask questions. Engage with the text by asking questions about the sequence of events. Who did what, when, and why? Example, what happened after the main character discovered the secret? 7. Use context clues. Pay attention to the context and details that hint at the order of events. Example, descriptions of the environment or character actions can provide clues about what happens next. 8. Practice with chronological order. Arrange events in the order they occurred. Practice with everyday activities or historical events. Example, sequence the steps involved in cooking a recipe or the events of a historical timeline. Practice examples. 1. Creating a timeline. List the key events of a story and arrange them on a timeline. Action. Visualize the sequence of events and understand the narrative flow. 2. Using graphic organizers. Fill out a story map with the main events, settings, and characters. Action. Organize and summarize the narrative visually. 3. Summarizing events. Write a brief summary of each event in a short story. Action. Clarify the sequence and enhance comprehension. 4. Asking questions. Identify the sequence of events by asking who, what, when, where, and why questions. Action. Engage with the text and understand the order of events. Tips for mastery. 1. Practice regularly with different texts and narratives. 2. Use visual aids and graphic organizers to clarify the sequence. 3. Discuss the order of events with others to gain different perspectives. Conclusion. Understanding and organizing the order of events can significantly enhance your reading comprehension and narrative skills. By practicing these tips and strategies, you'll become more proficient at identifying and arranging events logically. Thank you for joining this lesson, and happy sequencing!